This video tutorial I will cover Autowired annotation in Constructor. Here I have defined the class address. It has three properties: city, state and country. And it has address constructor which accept city, state and country. Here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class employee. It has two properties: name and address. And it has employee constructor which accept name and address. In employee constructor, I have applied @autowired annotation. So address object will be created by Spring container and injected into employee. And it has display employee details method. To enable @autowired, we have to register Autowired annotation bean post processor. We can do it in two ways. The first way is including annotation config, and second way is including Autowired annotation bean post processor. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and it creates address object and employee object. In employee constructor, we have applied @autowired annotation. So address object will be injected into employee by Spring container. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading a Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee object from Spring container and calling display employee details method. Here you can see the output. Here you can see the employee object. Name is set as Peter and address object is injected into employee.